So what is it about fennel seeds that makes them so beneficial? First of all, they are packed with essential nutrients. Think fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron and magnesium. Not only are these nutrients great for your overall health, but they are also easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Now let's talk about fennel's most well-known benefit, digestion. Fennel seeds have been trusted for centuries as a natural remedy to relieve bloating, gas and discomfort after meal. And here is why. They contain volatile oils like anethole, fenchone and estradiol, which work together to relax the muscles in the digestive tract. So the next time you feel a little too full, chewing on a few fennel seeds might bring the comfort you need. But that's not all. Fennel seeds are also a natural breath freshener. Many cultures have the tradition of chewing fennel seeds after meals, and it's not just to freshen up. This habit actually aids digestion while keeping your breath fresh. In fact, there is even some interesting research showing that fennel seeds might help soothe colic in babies, which we will dive into a bit later. Next, let's talk about nutrients. Fennel seeds aren't just about flavor, they are about function. They are a nutritional powerhouse filled with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage by fighting off free radicals. This is super important because antioxidants play a key role in reducing the risk of chronic conditions. And then there is the fiber, potassium and manganese packed into these seeds. The fiber supports digestion, of course, but it also helps us feel fuller for longer, which can be beneficial for anyone watching their weight. Potassium is excellent for maintaining balanced blood pressure, and that's not all. Fennel seeds contain more calcium than you might expect, supporting healthy bones. Now here is where it gets really fascinating. Fennel seeds have been shown to help reduce inflammation, which can be life-changing for those dealing with inflammatory conditions like arthritis. A study in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine found that fennel seeds were able to significantly reduce inflammation in people with arthritis, relieving their symptoms and improving their quality of life. And if you're someone you know struggles with menstrual cramps, fennel seeds might offer some relief there too. Another study published in the European Review for Medical and Pharmacological Sciences discovered that fennel seeds could actually help reduce menstrual cramps and other PMS symptoms, making them a natural option for monthly discomfort. And remember the colic in babies we mentioned? This study really caught my attention. Researchers gave fennel seed oil to a group of 125 babies with colic, while a separate group received a placebo. The babies given fennel seed oil cried less and showed reduced symptoms. Imagine the relief for both babies and their parents. So how can you start adding these little wonders to your day-to-day life? One easy way is by making fennel tea, especially after meals. Just add a teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds to boiling water. Let it steep for a few minutes and enjoy a soothing tea that helps with digestion. You can also incorporate fennel seed into your cooking. Sprinkle them over roasted vegetables, toss them into stir fries, or even add them to baked goods. Their subtle anise-like flavor can really enhance both savory and sweet dishes. And don't forget, fennel seeds make a great natural mouth freshener. Just chew on a few seeds after a meal and you will get fresh breath plus digestive support all in one. And if you want to switch things up, you can try fennel seed water. Simply infuse water with fennel seeds overnight, and by morning you have a refreshing detoxifying drink to start your day, right? You can also try fennel seed powder. Just grind the seeds into a fine powder and sprinkle it as a seasoning on various dishes. It adds flavor and nutrients. Finally, there is fennel seed oil, which is amazing for relieving muscle aches and pains when used topically. Just a small amount can help soothe sore areas after a long day. So could fennel seeds really be the secret to amazing health benefits? With their rich nutrient profile and centuries-old reputation, they are definitely worth a try. If this video sparked your curiosity and you love natural remedies and holistic health, subscribe for more insights. Until next time, take care, stay healthy and stay high-spirited. I'll see you in the next video.